Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you need to update your Amazon email address. Maybe you lost access to the old one or want everything in one inbox. Amazon lets you change it easily in your account settings. This works on mobile, PC, basically every other device that you are using. So let's go through it step by step. So first and first, we're gonna go all the way to open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, everything is working just fine. Go look for Amazon Shopping app if you are on iOS or Android. Otherwise, we're gonna go through the Amazon.com. Tap on this link, then go all the way to use your email address and password to actually log in. So after logging in, we're gonna come here to the accounts and list, tap on account or just tap on it. Then we're gonna go to login and security. So as you see, edit login, name and the mobile number and every other detail basically. So tap on this, they're gonna ask you to actually confirm your identity by selecting your password. Basically do this, then tap edit next to email or phone number, it depends on you. Then enter your new email address. Verify the code sent to the new email. You can use an email you check basically every time. That's way more better than the original email. Should also make sure it's secure and not shared. After changing your email, update it on all Amazon devices like Alexa or even Kindle. So keep it in mind. This is so important. And that's it. That's basically how you change your Amazon email address. Fast and easy. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.